Here's a very interesting problem on interval of increasing and decreasing. It says determine the range of the values of k such that f of x, which is equals to kx cubed minus 12x plus 20, is decreasing on the interval 0 to 40. So this time we don't have to find the interval of increasing and decreasing. We have to find the equation so that it is decreasing on the given interval of 0 to 4. So the strategy is going to be the same. So let's first find out the derivative. So derivative will be 3kx squared for this equation minus 12, right? Now we say it is decreasing in the interval, we say it is decreasing in the interval 0 to 4. So when it is decreasing in the interval of 0 to 4, that means f dash x should be negative, less than 0 in this interval, correct? That is what it means, correct? Now, if I write the value 0 here, so what is f dash 0 for me? F dash 0 is minus 12, so that is perfectly fine. In minus 12, it is decreasing. Now, how about f dash of 4? That should be negative also, right? So let's figure out what is f dash of 4. So if I write 4 here, for x, what do I get? I get 3k 4 square minus 12. And this 3k minus, so 4 square is 16, right? So we get 16 times 3k as our equation, right? So 16 times 3, let me write 16 times 3, k minus 12. Now we can factor out 12. We can factor 12. And then what do we get? When we factor 12 from here, so we'll take 4 from 16 and 3 from there. So we get 4k minus 1. So that is what we get. And since we want it to be decreasing in this interval of 0 to 4, that means we want this value to be negative. Do you understand? So that is the strategy. I hope you understand the strategy here. So we want this to be negative, right? So let me solve rest on the right side of this. So we want f dash 4 to be less than 0. That means we want 12 times 4k minus 1 as less than 0, right? Now 12 is a constant. Basically we get 4k minus 1 is less than 0. Think dividing by 12 both sides. Or 4k is less than 1, or k is less than 1 over 4. So that is the condition for k. So that means if k is less than 0.25, then the condition will be satisfied, correct? So that is our answer. So our answer is that k should be less than 0.25 for this condition to be true. Okay, thank you.